There. Mrs. Chicken. Hey. Hey, Mrs. Chicken. How are you? What's up? What's new with you? Do you have any news? Any good news? No? It doesn't look like you have. Mm-hmm. Is there anything you would like to talk about? I'm not quite sure. You look so puzzled, so confused. What's wrong? Mm-hmm. No reaction. Okay. So, maybe you are thinking about anything? About something you're gonna do today? Huh? What are your plans for today? It's a good sunny day. Maybe you're going to go to the beach? I'm not sure. Maybe you're going to fly to the beach? Alright. Okay, so have a good day. It was nice to talk to you. Bye.